Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. We're here at my home in Long Island. I'm a professional home remodeling contractor, and you might have seen me on Spike TV's Catch a Contractor, where we've rebuilt many homes and done tons of projects for people across the country. Now today we're here at our home in Long Island, and we've been working on a project, an outdoor living space that has just come out awesome. And right now we're about to start putting the jewel on top of the crown, the final finishing touch on this outdoor living space, and that's our custom outdoor kitchen. Now over the years I've built a lot of outdoor kitchens for people, and I gotta tell you, it's a long, timely process. You gotta build your cabinetry, you gotta first design it, figure out all the materials that you need for the build, source your framing materials, get your stone guys, have your countertops specially made just like you would do in your house, and then of course fit everything together and hope that everything works with the appliances that you pick. You gotta pick out your grill and all the different appliances just like a kitchen. So in doing this for our own house, I said, I want to try to think outside the box. I could build them like I've built them for everybody else, or we're going to try something different. And we partnered up with the great folks over at RTA and Coyote to come up with this awesome outdoor kitchen. These guys put it all together, one seamless program, one finished product. And if you look behind me, these crates, everything is inside these boxes. It gets delivered to your house, ready to go. This is filled with the cabinetry and all the products that we're gonna need to put together our kitchen today. Now they tell me that we can put it together in a couple of hours. We're gonna see if that actually happens, because every outdoor kitchen I've ever built hasn't gone together in less than a couple of days, sometimes a couple of weeks. So I'm really excited to have this kitchen today. We're about ready to get started with the build, and hopefully by the end of the day, we're gonna be barbecuing. All right, so we're in my backyard. We just unboxed the first crate of the RTA panels, and I gotta tell you, these things look awesome. So being a home remodeling contractor, I built many outdoor kitchens over the years, and it's a lot of work, you know, from the framing materials, framing these things out of steel stud or pressure treated lumber, all the masonry work that needs to get done, coordinating the countertops and the appliances, hoping it all fits within the space. It's many times weeks, sometimes even months in the planning and the assembly. So what I just took out of this crate is actually going to go together today in just a couple of hours, and we're going to be finished. And the beauty of it is all you need is just a couple of simple tools to get this job done. We need a drill, a level, a square, a couple of masonry drill bits, and a small hex drive. The hardware comes with these L brackets and screws, and everything you need is in the box. So we can actually assemble this kitchen today. That's what they tell me. A couple of hours we're going to be barbecuing. The beauty of that is for the DIYers out there, if you don't have all the contractor connections, you don't have someone coming building this thing, you could actually do it yourself with just the simple tools. So we're about to get the project started. We're going to show you how it's done. So we're at the 2-hour point, which is pretty remarkable because that includes tearing down all the cases, bringing everything in and assembling it just the way you see here. So this 1-inch panel from RTA is not only structural, but it's also got the aesthetic beauty of the stone built right into it. And that means it goes together really quickly. And you know, that 2-hour time is also including, we had to level out you know, some of the base of this, we had to shim up. You know, we built right on top of these pavers. If it was a normal condition where we were building this outdoor kitchen and framing it, we'd have to tear all these pavers out, put in a concrete footing, build the frame, and then probably take out a section of fence, bring in skids full of stone. We wouldn't even be close to finishing the framing in the first day or two. We're talking the 2-hour mark. We're already set up. We're ready to put on countertops and appliances, which is really unbelievable. RTA's got this system figured out. The 1-inch panels make it super easy. It looks amazing. We're about to break for lunch. When we come back, we're going to finish it up and get barbecuing. So here we are. I didn't think it was actually possible, but in just a couple of hours, I'm talking this afternoon, from start to finish, we have a beautiful custom kitchen. RTA put together this system and it is absolutely mind-blowing how awesome this thing came out. So we're looking at a 22-foot L-shaped kitchen with all the amenities, all the appliances, even an awesome pizza oven. It was very easy to assemble. And you know, from a contractor standpoint, I've built many outdoor kitchens. If you've ever seen my show, Catch a Contractor, you know it can be nearly impossible to find the right contractor for your job. Inside kitchen, especially an outdoor kitchen. So they were a one-stop shop. They made it easy even for me. I called them up, told them what I wanted, and they were the single source for everything I needed, from the stone cabinetry, the stone tops, even the awesome appliances from the folks over that they partnered with at Coyote were amazing. So we want to thank everybody at RTA for putting together this system for us. And of course, this is something easy that you can do yourself. I mean, it literally showed up in the driveway, and in a matter of hours, we put it together in one day, a 22-foot L-shaped kitchen. You can do this yourself with some simple tools and a little bit of work. If not, they have a great system of contractors like the great guys that came from Energy Tech today to help us put together our kitchen. So again, we want to thank everybody over at RTA. They told us it was only going to take a couple hours, and it really did. And now it's time to start barbecuing. So here it is. I mean, it's amazing.
It's amazing. We couldn't be more thrilled with our entire outdoor kitchen, everything about it.
Yeah, RTA really nailed this thing. I mean, I went to them with a lot of different details and things that I needed, because we really did a custom build here, right? We had a small space to work with, and they fit every single feature in that we wanted.
Every piece of this was a custom build, and we had a very specified size that we needed to use, and every inch of it was used, and it is every inch of perfection.
Yeah, they maxed out everything with commercial grade appliances from Coyote, which by the way is just an amazing seamless integration between RTA and Coyote. They were able to nail all the cabinetry, all the appliances, everything fit together perfectly, and it was an easy experience because it's a one-stop shop. We didn't have to go to separate places, a stonemason, an appliance person, you know, someone to design it and build it. They did the whole process.
We wanted so many things, we wanted so many pieces put into this kitchen, and they managed to squeeze everything in this space, yeah. And I thought it would look smaller, and instead it looks even bigger. It's more beautiful. It's a great way for us to get our family together, because now we have the place where everyone wants to be.
Yeah, well, you know, like even like inside. So we recently redid our kitchen indoors, and that's where everyone hangs out, right? That's why we did a beautiful kitchen in the house, because everybody spends all their time in the kitchen. So now we've done this really nice outdoor patio space with the pool and the lounging areas, and this was like the last thing that
this is the icing on the cake. This is the thing that everybody wants, but not everyone has, and this is something that was like a dream for us, that to have something like this to really top off our beautiful backyard. It's like it is.
Better than I thought, because they were the ones who recommended the pizza oven. And I got to tell you, I never even would have thought of having a pizza oven in the backyard. And good news is, we really like pizza.
We really like pizza. We love the pizza oven, that they put it into the corner. This was something special for our design, that they put this into the corner, that they fit it in with the two side pieces. You love cooking on this grill. The grill is incredible.
I'm the grill guy.
He's the grill guy. The refrigerator is wonderful. It can stay here all year round. Yes. It has everything in it that we need for cooking outside, or just for beverages, so we don't have to keep running in and out of the house when we're in the pool. This is something that was really special to me, to have these types of edges on the countertop outside, and not to mention that these beautiful concrete countertops are also sealed. They don't get stained, they don't get dirty, they're beautiful, and they're weather resistant. We're here in New York where there's snow and ice all year round. The heat, the sun, everything, this will be here exactly as you see it now.
And I really couldn't believe it when RTA said, listen, when this shows up in your driveway, from the time we unpack it to building it and assembling it, you're going to have this thing built in a couple of hours. So I'm like, there's no way. This is a 21-foot kitchen, almost 22-foot L-shaped kitchen with all these appliances. The stone, everything fitted, countertops, the whole deal, couple of hours, they were out of here.
That was incredible.
We were actually barbecuing.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it.
Yeah,
So,
one day they drop off everything in the driveway, and the next day we have this in a couple of hours, and we're able to use it that night.
yeah, and that's good because I like to eat.
And I like to watch you cook it. So thank you so much, RTA Outdoor. This is the best thing that we could have possibly done for our backyard. We really love it. Thank you, Coyote, for the wonderful appliances. We love it. Everything is top notch.
And the whole experience is all through RTA. It couldn't have been better. We recommend it to everybody. Thanks again, guys. We're ready to start eating.